My friends, viewers, just arrived from micro game. Yeah, they got the gold, right? Oh no, silver for softball.
Wait, softball?
Softball.
Yeah, silver.
Silver, yeah. Congratulations. Woo! All right, Pohnpei number 2. How about who got the first
Place?
first place?
Softball? Paramount.
I see. All right. So thank you guys for this time. Yeah, they're having practice right here. They stated that nowadays this is a popular game here in Pohnpei. Oh wow. Yeah, so it's a challenge for 4 states. So one friend of mine, so let's see this game. At least you have the idea what's going on here in Pohnpei when it comes or about what's this, softball. And then I heard some I think this morning they told me about the teams. Wow, more than 30. Boom. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Oh man. Woo! Ah. Woo! Oh! Yeah, we'll see. Oh man. Yeah, we'll ask him later. Here we go. Oh, it's up to... Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. Yeah, right here I will follow the ball. Oh my goodness. Yeah, my goodness, man. Oh man. Oh. Oh wow. No one can stop it, man. Woo! Oh man. Oh my goodness. Here we go, man. Woo!
Chef is kind of more
Yeah, that's how they teach, man. Oh wow.
Ano yung high steel ko?
Mm-hmm.
Pare!
Very nice.
Ano yung high steel?
Also want to go voucher.
Oh wow. Okay, he got it. You got it, boy. Here we go. Call that individual there
The picture.
pitcher. All right. How about here?
The battery.
Okay, butter. Oh man. So we have this lady right here. So they got the silver reward. Second place.
Mo putan se pale ya. Len man meglio aventame se Tenga se chu len pa microwave. Tan quarto you. Oh, then what cheap for you too?
So what's that? That's foul?
That's foul.
Alright. What's her name?
Lenisha.
Huh?
Batting now. Lenisha now.
Nemisha? Nemisha? Nemisha.
Ay, alala. Lenisha from Newark.
So that's foul. Boom! Alright.
What's your name on YouTube? I'll go subscribe.
Yeah, thank you. What's his name?
Which one?
This one? The batter?
Anya.
Anya?
Ya, lang oh.
Oh! Car.
Ajit, nasa nol yung ako ako. Yuji, that's the name.
UG. Yeah, I know the twins. Good basketball players. Boom. Boom. You got it. Oh man. There we go. Woo! What's your name again?
Stuart.
Huh?
Stuart.
Stewart. Yeah, nice meeting you, my friend. So, yeah. See you again sometime next time. And so here we go. It's really, they stated that it's now a popular game here in Pohnpei.
Yeah.
Is that right? Like last game, how many teams?
Last
30? More than that?
30 around to 40.
If no limit, then more than
No
that?
limit.
Oh my goodness.
Then the team number will skyrocket up to 60 or something.
So that's what's going on here in Pohnpei. Yeah, so we'll see. Hoping that the other states starts practicing also. So next micro game, we will also witness boys division playing. So right now only women's division, and for this
Kuya, Novo.
Pohnpei
Like and subscribe.
Pohnpei
Kuya Novo.
Pohnpei got the silver award, second place. What's his name? The one
That's Trist.
holding the bat.
Trist.
Huh?
Trist.
Twist. So we'll see. So we'll see. We'll see how far. What's the momentum? Boom!
Last tournament, we won the second.
Oh, second place.
Yeah, that's good.
Mm-hmm.
I can tell because they're the one always in the field. Huh?
Here we go. You got it. Wow. Expert catcher, man. Hey, what's your name again? Rico? Rico, wow. I saw your
Champion.
how you I think you're the champion today. Oh, it's really, oh my goodness.
Baseball.
So I have the evidence here. Yeah, they notice. Woo! Rico. Alright, so thank you guys. Until next time. At least I have this chance to witness softball players in Pohnpei. Am I right? So thank you. Yup. Woo! Oh man.
What brand is that? The one you use.